We bring you the answers to all your questions. Be better than others. Enjoy the benefits of knowledge. Accept the answers from us.
If you add up our selections, IKEA comes in at about $1,800, $900 for living, dining and $900 for bedroom, office. Target is a tad higher, about $2,250, $1,000 for living, dining and $1,250 for bedroom, office, and Pottery Barn is much higher at $8,000, $3,300 living, dining and $4,700 bedroom, office.
Our mission is to provide accurate answers. We think without knowledge, it is impossible to live a balanced life. Be competent, be skillful. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell notification.